understand is individuals were different. And how you would write a story would be totally different from how this gentleman writes a story or how this young lady would write a story.
She writes me under the table. Let's get that straight.
So that might be the case. You might be able to do something, like, I don't know, chug a gallon of milk quicker than she can. We all have our strengths is the point I'm making. And maybe someone's strength isn't to play hard or isn't to go hard. Maybe he hasn't been taught that. Maybe he has an element in which he leans to his strength and is using his energy for that. And I never try to take a negative out of someone and what their strengths are. I'm not perfect. I'm not trying. I'm actually trying to perfect my craft as much as I can, but I'm in no position to judge another man and his craft. Only thing I can be an example, and when time's to go hard, I suggest that to him, and if he does, that's up to him. Every man is his own, as woman, and I've always took that view with that, and I never tried to change anybody or have somebody be something they're not. I always tried to help someone with something they're struggling with.